Hello, in this video, we will introduce tuples, sets, and dictionary in chapter 14. Let's first look at tuples. Tuples are just like lists. The only difference is that the elements in tuples are not modifiable. You can add elements to lists, delete elements to lists, sort elements in list, but not in tuple. Tuple, it's unchangeable. Once you create a tuple, it's fixed. So you can also consider that tuple is just an immutable list. So this is the syntax to create a tuple. So this using the parentheses. So please recall that for the list, you use the brackets, and this is the parentheses. This is to create an empty tuple. This is to use the list comprehension. So we create a list here. So the list is the elements here from 1 to 4, but for each element, it is doubled. So that is here. And for this tuple T3. This is tuple T4. We create the tuple consisting of the characters, and this is here is from a string. Now let's look at some examples you can use with tuples. It's just like a list. You can use the functions len, min, max, sum, and use the in, not in, or the suboperations. So let's look at this right here. How do you get the length? So this is to use len. So here for tuple 1 or tuple 2. So let's see what we have here for tuple 2. So this is tuple 2. And here is the max function, max tuple 2. And this is min tuple 2. This is the sum of all the elements in tuple 2. So you can use this brackets operator to get the elements using this index. And so that's 7 here. You can create a new tuple by concatenating this 2 tuples together. So this is new tuple. And you can use this repetition operator. So what you can do is to have this tuple 2 times. So the contents of this is this green, red, blue, and then another green, red, blue. So this is where you have 6 elements now. And this is to use the slicing. So from this index 2, so you get a subtuple from index 2 and then go to 3. So this is slicing, and this is to print. So this, see, if this 2 in tuple 2, and that is, it's true, so that is, this is true here. And this is to use the for each loop to display all the elements in tuple 1. And this is to get a list from tuple 2. And now you can sort the list, and you can create a new tuple from this list 1 now after this sorted. Now, if you know your elements are not going to be changed in a list, to make it a tuple that's more efficient internally, it's the way tuples are processed. So it's more efficient than processing list. That is all for the tuples. See you on the next video.